Hello and welcome to Zon.Tools tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain you the left menu. So the first voice of the left menu is the overview, which I already explained to you in our first video. So please, if you want to have an explanation of what this page shows you, refer to the first video of this playlist or at the top of the page. The second voice of the menu is something new that we just introduced a few days ago, is the product groups. Or as we call them, PGN. This is a page or a dashboard where we show you all the PGNs as one single line. So all the data of the 4 campaigns we manage within a PGN is merged, all the stacks are merged to show you the performance of the PGN ecosystem as a whole. If you want to know more about PGN, you want to see what they are and have specific training to it, please refer to our PGN tutorials. You can find them on our tutorial page or as a specific playlist here on YouTube. The next one, we have the campaigns. In here, this page, you will see all the campaigns. Here you are, campaigns that are included in your account, and you're able to filter by date, filter by text, or sort them down by any of the voice that you see here. The arrow down will be descending, the arrow up will be ascending. So if I was to sort by sales descending, I will soon identify that the silicon product campaign is the one that's bringing the most dollar money in. This is an experimental account, so this data is fake. If you choose to go to the ad group dashboard, here you will see all the ad groups within your account, and for each ad groups on the campaign column will tell you which campaign it belongs to. So if you wanted to jump to this campaign and check the stats, the statistic of this campaign, you will just have to click on the title of this campaign and so on. On the keyword page or keyword dashboard, what we choose to do, we choose to show you all the statistic of all your keywords within your account in only one page, and they are divided by keyword name, what ad group they belong to, and what campaign that ad group and that keyword belongs to. Right? You can sort by statistic, by data, the way you want. You can filter them, and if you want to go and jump and check the ad group performance statistic, you just will have to click on the ad group. Or if you want to jump and see the campaign statistic of where the keywords belongs to, you will just have to click on the campaign name. And here at the product dashboard, we choose to show you all your SKUs and all the performance of your SKUs. Okay, I see 0 data, so I'm gonna sort down by sales 7. I want to identify which item is a bestseller, and I should see that these items are my bestsellers. Alright, and I can track back which ad group they belong to and which campaign they belong to, just clicking on the titles of the ad group and campaign. Oh, okay. So, and the history logs is a new introduction. In here, you will be able to find all the action that we are taking, that our automation is taking on your account. So campaign logs is a page where we are logging all the action that are taken on the campaigns. Doesn't matter if by our automation or if by yourself on Sales Central. Here are all the action that are taken on your campaigns. Ad groups, same. These are all the actions. We're tracking down all the actions that are done on your ad groups. At the ad groups level, what has been done, what was before, what is after, and there is a first attempt of filtering, which you can filter by log action event, by ad group, by state, by ID, and by campaign ID, and then apply a filter on top on words. On the where are we now? Add group log. On the keyword logs, we track all actions that are taken at keyword level, which is in this case is telling you that this keyword name test that was negative phrase was recently deleted. This keyword that was negative exact was recently added to the garlic press 6, and so on. Again, this is a first attempt at showing you the data. We will get better at it. Also here you can select what you want to search by, and use a text filter. Product log is the same. What happens at the product level within your account, where and how, and what async is added. Again, this is an experimental account, so most of the data is fake. And keyword miner logs, given the nature of this account, which is experimental, keyword miner cannot actually work because the data doesn't exist. So, but in a real account, you will see all the action that keyword miner have taken. So all the custom search terms that have been found and then have been put back into the system, and it will tell you what specific customer term has been added to what specific PGN. And the same for terminator. Terminator also, being the nature of the account is empty, but terminator will show you what customer search terms have been found not to be converting and have been terminated. And the last one, product groups logs, so PGN logs, which in this page we track all the actions that are taken on the PGN ecosystem. You're able to search by different areas of the tabs of the data and apply search filter on top. Again, this is the first attempt. We want to be transparent, so we want to show you this as soon as possible. We are working on making it better, showing better data, showing data that is actually actionable, and allowing you a different and easier filtering option. For now, that's it. As for the left menu, storefront. Storefront, if you click on storefront, you will be taken to your Amazon storefront, so to see your product live. As for this video, that's it. Please stay tuned. Next video we'll go over how to set up rules on your existing campaign, how to set up threshold and rules on your existing campaigns in order for our automation to start working for you. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.